Do you want to improve your skills as a developer of high-quality software and stay ahead of the game? Or are you a developer responsible for software quality and testing? Then the A4Q SDET Foundation Level Certification is for you. As software becomes more complex, quality becomes a key factor in a project's success. Thus, the need for developers to design systematic tests and run them in an automated way is more important than ever. With our practical approach, you will learn to identify and effectively apply relevant testing methods and procedures to ensure that the software you develop exceeds all expectations. Our training covers the essential testing techniques and focuses on key white box and black box testing methodologies, as well as reviews and static analysis. The training is hands-on and includes programming of test automation. You'll be able to identify and solve problems faster, improve your code, and easily demonstrate your proficiency in testing and quality engineering with our globally recognized certification. Take the opportunity to talk to us today.